OMG! Lahat ang special! Ano ang bestseller nyo?
Meron po kami triple.
Chocolate roll, special because it's chocolate loaded from filling to icing to toppings. Isang chocolate dedication. Okay, special kasi may rich and moist chocolate.
Can I help you po, ma'am?
Come on. Special because it's made with real butter. Special din ang cheesy ensaymada with its right balance of cheesy sweet goodness.
Eh, paano naman po yung best?
Tasting Black Forest cake? Special because of its luscious choco cherry taste.
Kayo na lang po kaya dito.
Ako na talaga because finally, ako na ang bagong endorser ng Red Ribbon. Every bite is made to be special and delicious. That's why all it takes is Red Ribbon to make today a special